Guten Tag. Instead of saying okay to start off all of these, I think what I'm going to do is come up with different ways to say hello in different languages. So, Guten Tag, that's hello in German. Let's take a look at number 2. In diagram of trapezoid ABCD, I got a trapezoid. Ooh, love trapezoids. AB, AB is parallel to DC. So that's telling me they're my base, right? Base. All about that base. Okay. And they also say, look at this piece of information. AD, whatever that is, that must be congruent to DC. So I don't have just any kind of trapezoid. I have an isosceles trapezoid because my legs are congruent. So I know when I have an isosceles trapezoid, angles sitting on the same base are congruent, right? Because they're opposite those congruent sides. So this angle here is going to be the same as this angle there. Okay? Computers. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna move this. I mean, if they're the same, right? An isosceles triangle base angles are the same. And hell, look, they want me to find what's the measure of angle D. If this is 3x minus 15, this angle here must be 3x minus 15. It's gotta be. It's the only thing it could be. So, if I look at my other base and this leg as a transversal, I have parallel lines cut by a transversal. And I know same side interior angles, these two angles here, they're supplementary. They're two angles that add up to 180. And that's the same thing in this trapezoid. My bases are parallel lines. One of my legs is a transversal. Therefore, 4x plus 20 and 3x minus 15 are supplementary. They must add up to 180. Well, I'm going to solve for x. I'm going to combine my terms. 4x and 3x is 7x. 20 minus 15 is 5. That equals 180. Subtract 5 from both sides. 7x equals 175. Divide both sides by 7. X equals, and I'm going to turn to my handy-dandy calculator. It's got to be something that ends in a 0 or a 5. 175 divided by 7. 25. Alright. So x is 25. But they wanted to know the measure of angle D. And the measure of angle D, we found out, is the same as C. So I'm going to write it's 3x minus 15. If I substitute in, that's 3 times 25 minus 15. 25, 25, and 25, that's 75. 3 times 25 is 75. Minus 15, that's 60. Alright, the measure of angle D is 60 degrees. Thus, concluding, practice problem, dose.